This is an hour and a half after the rain started. It's also lightning and thundering and flooding and tornadoes. You see that? That is at least 6 feet deep. At least. We have rapids. That is the tree that man right there was supposed to cut down, but didn't, and it fell. Look at that. This is my yard. This is the rest of my yard. Lots of branches. Did I mention there's tornadoes? This is my yard. This is their yard. Like I said, that's at least 5 or 6 feet at least deep. I will walk through this part. Ooh, this is a swift moving current. So, this is above my ankles. And that creek is usually, I don't know, it's definitely 5 or 6 feet. So it's 2 or 3 feet above. This is a heavy one. It's everywhere. Oh. Oh my gosh. That's almost to my knees. Good grief. Oh my gosh. Whew. That is knee deep in my yard. Jeez. Well, that's probably 6 or 7 feet deep, but right there is knee deep. It's ridiculous. Ooh.